Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a Bluetooth pairing test of the MI Supersonic neckband. Now this one has the capability of connecting to two devices and it has supersonic bass. So this is good for phone calls and stuff because this has got a long battery life, and this is in the budget range. This is not a MI device, it's a Redmi device, so it's in the budget range. So let's see how it actually works. Let me connect it to an Android phone, MI phone itself first. For that, first I'll switch it on. So the power button is here. Keep the power button pressed. The LED is over here, the white LED. It's on. Now you'll see the blinking white light. That means it's not paired with anything. So I'll search for it over here. Okay, Redmi SuperBass earphones. SuperBass, not Supersonic, sorry. It should be done. Where is it? Okay, allow, pair. Okay, so it's done. Now let me just show you. So it supports absolute volume, but it does not have AAC codec, so it does not support high definition audio. So if you want high definition audio, you have the MI series, the MI neckbands. So these are for high definition audio. This is more of battery life, 20 hours of battery life. It's more of two phones connection and all that thing. So okay, so this is done. Now I want to connect it to a different phone. So what I have to do is switch the earphone off. So once it's off, it will automatically disconnect from here. Then I want to switch it on but not leave the power button. So I'll press the power button. It's here. Press this. Switching on. Now don't leave the power button, keep it pressed till the time you see the blinking light again. Now the blinking light is back. Supersonic earphones, and it's done. So it's connected over here. Now the special feature about this earphone is now that this is connected here, I can still connect it to the previous device. Let me just find it. So Redmi SuperBass earphone. I don't know why am I calling it supersonic. I think because of the supersonic charger that I'm testing. Okay, so you see it's connected here, Redmi SonicBass earphones, and it's still connected here, Redmi SonicBass earphones. So this is an earphone which connects to two different phones at the same time. So you'll get calls from both the phones, you can listen to music from both the phones, so you can do everything on both the phones. So if you're like traveling and you have two phones, you want to use one for entertainment, one for phone calls, then you can do that. So or different scenarios, you have a work from home scenario, you want to use this for your laptop and your phone at the same time, you want to pick calls from both of them, you can do that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.